Hi, today I'm here with a video showing how we can file a response to an income tax demand notice. So we have to log into the income tax portal for this with our PAN number and password. Once we log in, we have to select response to outstanding demand from pending action tab. Here we get the outstanding demand amount, accrued interest if any, and we can see the payment status, date of service of notice, and date of demand raised. We can see the outstanding demand amount as 11,430 and accrued interest as 1,368, which is basically a penalty for non-payment. Now we have to click on submit response. From here we have to select whether we accept the demand or deny the demand, and also we have to select the reason based on our selection. Here I am selecting the first option because that suits me best. Then we have to click on the selected reason. A new window will pop up. In this window, we have to choose the type of payment as outstanding demand, that is regular assessment tax. Challan amount, BSR code of bank branch, serial number, date of payment, and also any remarks if required. We will get these details from the challan receipt which we already paid. Finally, we have to upload the receipt as a proof. As I had received a demand notice for the same assessment period earlier, I am entering another challan details to avoid the entire demand notice. Here also we are entering all the details which are mentioned in the challan receipt which we already have with us. So from here we have to enter the BSR details, serial number, date of payment, and even we have to enter the date of payment, and also we have to attach the challan receipt. Here actually we tried entering 11,430, but once we save, it forwards to another page where it is showing us to make a payment of 1,368, which is actually the interest accrued part. Because of this, I have added that amount with the 11,430 to an amount of 12,798. Then the interest part is also get deducted, and the amount payable is showing as minus 11,430, which is actually a nil amount to be paid. So in this case we don't have to pay any amount, so we can click on submit and we have to confirm the responses. Then we will be getting the transaction ID which can be used for tracking our demand response. So we successfully responded to the income tax demand notice. We have to keep in mind that whenever a demand notice is raised, we have to file a response within 30 days to avoid additional interest or legal action.